Hello everyone. Are you looking for an easy peasy snack recipe? Then Cooking for You had bring up a very easy recipe for a snack, and that is Baingan Tawa Fry. Yes, Brinjal Tawa Fry. This is a very quick, very easy recipe for a snack time. So let's begin with the video. Crumb coated baingan. Take a fat, big baingan, cut them into a round shape and soak it into a salt water. In another bowl, add Maida, corn flour, turmeric powder, lemon juice and 2 eggs. Add salt to it, add oregano into it, add Kasuri Methi, add chilli powder and mix it well. Add water and make sure you mix it well without any lumps. Add circle cut brinjals to it. Coat the brinjal pieces thoroughly with the masala. Now coat it with breadcrumbs. Into the oil, put the round cutted brinjal coated with masala into the oil. Make sure you keep it in a low flame and keep turning them after every 2 minutes. Our yummy crummy coated baingan tawa fry is ready. So guys, have you watched the video how yummy the tawa fry is? Isn't it? So you are going to try it, right? I am also going to try it. So subscribe our channel for more such easy peasy videos and recipes. See you again. Bye.